There's a recipe going viral right now, and you've probably seen it. Start an AI agency, sell chatbots, automate businesses, charge $2,000 per month, work 20 minutes a day. Same ingredients, same steps, same promise. And somehow, everyone's cooking the exact same dish. And I'm gonna tell you something most people won't say. This entire model is broken. Not because AI doesn't work, not because businesses don't need automation, not because you can't make money doing it, but because what you're being sold is not a real business. It's a recipe designed to sell you the idea of cooking, not to help you build a real restaurant. Once you see what's actually happening, you stop chasing AI trends and start building something that actually lasts. Because the problem isn't AI. The problem is you're not building anything. Let me show you exactly what's going on. On the surface, this model makes perfect sense. AI is exploding, businesses don't understand it, they need your help, right? So you become the bridge. You learn tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, you make basic integrations, you package it into a nice service, then you cold email businesses. You say, I'll automate your customer service, I'll save you time, I'll make you more money. And they pay you monthly, and you set it up and everyone wins, right? Simple, clean, sounds logical. Like a recipe that anyone can follow. If you actually want to learn and understand how AI can really help you to generate more income from home, then just check out the link in the description box below. Here's the part nobody tells you. You're not building anything. You're reheating somebody else's frozen meal and charging restaurant prices. The tools you're using, well, they're public. The knowledge, well, it's free on YouTube. The systems, you can replicate it in hours. So what are you actually selling? Convenience. And convenience is one of the weakest forms of value. Because the moment your client realizes, I could probably do this myself, then you're done. At first it feels like it works. You learn fast, you land a client, maybe a couple of clients, then reality hits. The chatbots break, responses sound generic, edge cases fail, APIs change, integrations stop working. Now you're not running a business. You're constantly fixing problems for clients who are slowly losing your trust. And here's the brutal part. You didn't build a business, you built a job for yourself. In fact, a really fragile one. If this is hitting right now, just subscribe because this is where most people get stuck. Now let's talk about the people teaching this. The YouTube videos, the courses, the 30K per month agency screenshots. Ask yourself one simple question. If they're making so much money running the agency, why are they selling courses? Because that's the real business. The course is the product, the agency is the marketing. Same pattern, different trend. For example, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, and now AI. It's a new wrapper, but it's the same game. And while all of this is happening, the opportunity is shrinking really fast. AI is getting easier. What took skills months ago now takes minutes. What needed an agency before is becoming self-serve, which means that the value of being the middleman is collapsing. So where's the real opportunity here? Not in the services, but in the actual building of the products, the tools, the systems, and the assets. Things that people can't easily copy. That's where the leverage is. That's where the scale is. That's where the real money is. Yes, it's harder. It requires skills, time, and understanding. And that's exactly why most people won't do it. They want shortcuts. And the shortcuts, unfortunately, don't build businesses. They just build cycles. So here's the truth. The AI agency model is not the opportunity. It's the distraction. Now you understand why it fails. But in the next video, I'll show you how to actually position yourself in AI so you're building something real. Go watch that now.